What are we up to today?
We're going to the Mountain Rose herb store to make beard oil and hair stuff.
We got beeswax, we got some tins, we got a jar to put more shit in. What's this?
Shea butter.
Shea butter, beeswax,
Jojoba oil.
jojoba oil,
Pomegranate seed oil.
pomegranate seed oil,
And shea nut oil.
shea nut oil. Wow.
So we got things to make beard oil and things to make stuff that'll make my hair look like this, and they won't be unhealthy.
Yep.
Like they used to be. We'll tell you what the ingredients are when we do it, because I don't know what they are because Kristy bought them and I don't even know what she bought. Yeah, I do, but I don't remember. Shea butter.
Mr. Dog. So, we're going to be doing most of the... Chrissy's getting it set up. We're going to be doing most of the filming on the stove, I guess. But the thing with our stove is we had to turn it off because this dial, for some reason, won't turn off. So even when it's on the off, it still lights up. So we had to turn off the power in the garage. Hey, bud, you want to go turn on the power with me? Yeah, let's go. Let's go turn on the power. You're putting in a whole buttload of shea butter. Cool. So 1 cup shea butter. I'm already confused.
1 cup shea nut oil.
Oh, can we see the bottle? Like what it looks like? 1 cup shea nut oil?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Looks like we need another cup of that. What is shea?
I don't know, it's a bean.
It's a bean? Pomegranate seed oil. Whoosh. Oh shit. Okay, so we got this in the double boiler for the beard stuff.
This is the lotion / beard conditioner. This is for your hair gel.
So the hair gel is literally just beeswax?
It's beeswax and shea butter.
Oh, so you have to add shea butter to it?
And jojoba oil. Mm-hmm.
Sweet. So you just melt it down first.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're double boiling all of that good stuff. And then over here we got the hair gel stuff, which is just beeswax currently. So anyway, we're gonna put the oils in and then it's done.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
What? Oh, Mr. Dog. Mr. Dog, can you talk? You talk. Oh, that was a good one, bud. That was a good one. Yeah, Mr. Dog. Mr. Dog. Alright, don't buy your LEDs at Costco. I replaced these with the fluorescence with LEDs. Listen to it. Why is it making that awful sound? Why do you have to make this sound? Why?